In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix calories on MyFitnessPal. This is a crucial process for anyone looking to get accurate calorie tracking and ensure their health goals are met. Let's dive right into it. First, launch the MyFitnessPal app on your device. You will see the familiar interface filled with your daily food log and activity tracker. This step is essential because it opens the gateway to your profile settings. Without accessing the application, you cannot make any necessary adjustments. Once the app is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will help you navigate through the steps smoothly. Next, tap the More icon, which looks like three dots located in the bottom right corner of your screen. When you tap this icon, a menu will slide up, showcasing various options. This action is important because it brings you to additional features that are not visible on the main screen. From here, you will have access to settings and other functionalities that will aid in fixing your calorie count. Now tap on Settings from the menu, then select Profile. As you do this, you will be directed to a page where you can view and edit your personal information. This step is significant since your profile data influences your calorie goals. Ensuring that your information is correct will help the app provide accurate dietary recommendations. Take a moment to review what you see on your screen. Next, verify your birth date, gender, height, and location. Fixing a typo here often instantly recalculates your correct target. This is a critical step because even minor errors in these details can lead to misleading calorie estimates. Make sure everything is accurate and reflects your current situation. You might notice an immediate change in your calculated goals once you correct any inaccuracies. After that, go back to the main settings list and tap Goals. This will take you to another important section where you can adjust your targets. Accessing your goals is vital because it allows you to set realistic expectations for your weight management journey. You'll see various options that help tailor your experience according to your needs. Now, update your current weight, goal weight, and weekly goal, such as losing 0.5 kilograms per week. This step is essential, as having accurate weight statistics helps the app provide personalized calorie intake suggestions. Enter your current weight, desired weight, and how much you aim to lose each week. Remember, setting achievable goals is crucial for sustained motivation and success in your health journey. Next, adjust your activity level. You will see options like sedentary, lightly active, active, and highly active. Choose the one that accurately matches your daily movement. This adjustment is important because it influences your caloric needs. Selecting the correct activity level ensures your daily calorie allowance aligns with your lifestyle, which can significantly affect your progress. By following these steps, you will have successfully fixed your calorie settings on MyFitnessPal. Each action you took was designed to ensure that the app reflects your true health metrics and goals. With everything set correctly, you can now track your calories accurately, helping you stay on track with your fitness journey. Remember, small adjustments can lead to significant results over time.